What's going on, everybody? We're back with another Winchester Mystery House update on all the props that we've been working on. Oh my gosh, we've got so much to do.
There's a lot of stuff around here. Let me just give you a quick little, there's a piece there, there's a piece there,
Yes.
there's a piece there, there's a huge piece right there. I got a ton of pieces behind us.
Yes, but on this video, it's about the broken obelisk. Woo! You guys haven't seen this one yet, except for we may have posted a picture in our Instagram. But this is, I think it's about 8 foot 4 inches if it was not broken. Just like the monument, all I did was build a plywood base at like 3/4 ply, shot it together, gave me a starting point. And then I did the burger time method, stacking the foam. I used MDF on this one and just routed some decorative edges. Tried to keep this one kind of simple because Gina was like, Chris, stop with the detail. But not, you know, we still have detail, but you know what I mean. None of this crazy stonework over here.
Well, I think for an obelisk, it's pretty detailed.
Yeah. I've got the butter sauce, we call it, or hardener. We use the epoximite, and then I mix a little bit of orange color that we had from when we did a pumpkin, and it creates this nice buttery texture like movie theater butter. And what I tried to do on here is just kind of give the idea of like a worn epitaph.
Whose name was that?
Mr. Chicken.
Mr. Chicken. Shout out to Jasper.
We never know with epitaphs, do we?
No.
Last time we did epitaphs, it was like the joking ones that some people really don't like.
Oh, the stupid, I'm a stupid.
Yeah, or, you know, still alive and all that.
Alive.
Yeah, so if you go back and watch in our old videos, you'll see all those fun ones. But, you know, it's funny because it's like, we don't really want to, like, make up some just random name.
Sure, and the Winchester Mansion, they already have a backstory.
Yes, that's
and so
true.
I don't want to conflict with whatever it is they have going on.
Let's put all the makers of different guns on. Just like on all the other stuff, I went through and carved everything, cleaned it all, and then went through and chipped it up. This one's got quite a bit of chipping. I always feel like I overdo it, but when it's all finished, I actually like it beat up a little more than not being beat up. Everything sometimes looks too nice to be haunted. So
well, I think it's hard because you want to make it nice, but then it's like, oh, actually I gotta weather this thing.
Yeah. So, you know, everybody to each his own, right? And some people like it nice, some like it beat it up. But yes, if it's haunted and scary, it's gotta be.
Yeah, there's nothing too haunted about a brand new tombstone, and you might want to just bring some flowers and pay your respects.
Yeah, that's right. So yeah, gonna put tinfoil on this next and fiberglass it, and then it should be ready. The other thing, though, I wanted to show you guys. Let's give you an update on the monument. Okay, the monument, we have now deemed it the hot buttered baked potato pillar because the stones at the bottom right now are looking kind of baked potato-y. I don't know. I was trying to create like worn bricks, but I don't know. Do you know?
Yeah.
He's like, looks like it needs to be microwaved at what, 40 minits?
No, don't put foil in the microwave. Chris doesn't cook, you guys, so he doesn't know.
Well, I guess that's true. It's been a while.
You put that in the oven, babe.
Oh, okay. Well, you know.
Yeah, I gotta watch this guy.
So, last time you saw this, we hadn't had the top all sculpted. So, again, I think we posted a picture on our Instagram, but I've got the little triangle of pieces and got the top all done. I've covered it with foil because we're going to fiberglass it. And then we have this top here. And on the top, for this monument, we try to continue that awesome, like, kind of crazy stonework to tie it into the mausoleum so that everything in the cemetery looks like it kind of flows. Mm-hmm. With the exception of the obelisk. We didn't put any stone on that one.
Well, you don't want them all matchy-matchy. No cemeteries
what is this,
like
the whole
that.
Family?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's happy with this. But you know what's crazy about these things? These are a lot of work compared to tombstones because they got 4 sides and never really hit me until I started like hard coding and putting tinfoil. I was like, man,
360.
4 sides. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I think what we're going to end up having to do, because we have so many things going on, we got a tombstone thing going on and a bunch of props, we may just from now on do like updates of everything and kind of, I don't know how you guys feel about that, but what do you think, Gina?
Yeah, we could totally do that. And then maybe if we're focused on one till the end of something, we can just do that.
Yeah, because this is, it's a lot of work to compile like the work clips. And
there's 6 projects going on at the same time right now, so it's like waiting for this to dry. So I'm working on that. Gonna paint that, so then I move on to this. So there's a lot going on.
There's things we haven't even started yet that. Well, I don't want to say that out loud, but we've started everything, you know. Like
at least there's a drawing for it, right?
So, awesome, guys. Well, let us know what you think, and keep leaving us those really kind comments. We appreciate that so much. Share with all your other Halloween friends, and we'll see you next time.